Welcome back to Health and Wellness for You and Your and another episode of TREY Cooks. Today in this video, we're going to be making a fully loaded baked potato, and we're going to be loading it with my secret weapon, Chef's Cupboard broccoli and cheddar soup mix, and we're going to be adding extra broccoli. So let's get cooking. Our first step is to rinse off our broccoli. And just like in our other videos, we'll be speeding up the video a little bit. Next, we will use cooking scissors to cut the broccoli into itsy bitsy pieces. What's the craziest or most over-the-top fully loaded baked potato you've ever seen or tried? I like to cut a part of the stalk because it has a lot of vitamins and nutrients as well. And we'll give the broccoli florets, which is the flower of the broccoli, and the stem, which is the stalk of the broccoli, one more rinse. And it's time to rinse our potatoes. I say potato, you say potato. And we'll be using our vegetable and fruit scrub brush with a little detergent to give it a good scrubbing. I have a question for you. What's the most memorable fully loaded baked potato you've ever had? And what made it so special? Leave me a comment and let me know. Who in your life makes the best fully loaded baked potatoes, and what makes theirs stand out? Next, we're going to wrap our baked potato in aluminum foil. And we'll set our oven temperature to 425 and bake our baked potatoes for 1 hour. What's your strategy for making sure your fully loaded baked potato stays crispy and delicious from the oven to the table? Our next step is to bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Our next step is to turn our heat down to medium and then whisk in our soup mix. Do you have a family recipe or a special technique for preparing fully loaded baked potatoes? Tell me about it. Leave me a comment and let me know. Do you have a favorite restaurant or a fast food chain where you love to get a fully loaded baked potato? Share your top pick and why. It's time to pour in our extra broccoli. I just love broccoli and cheddar soup with extra broccoli. The following are some nutritional facts for eating broccoli. Broccoli is a low-calorie vegetable suitable for weight management. It contains moderate protein, important for muscle health. Broccoli provides healthy carbohydrates for energy, and it's rich in fiber, aiding digestion. Broccoli is an excellent source for vitamins C, K, and A. Vitamin C boosts immunity and collagen production. Vitamin K is crucial for bone and health and blood clotting, and vitamin A is important for vision and skin health. Broccoli is a good source of folate, which is essential for DNA synthesis and cell repair. Broccoli also has calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and beta-carotene. Have you ever had a fully loaded baked potato while traveling or on a vacation? Where were you? And how did it compare to your usual favorites? Can you recall a fun or funny moment from a time you enjoyed fully loaded baked potatoes with family and friends? I appreciate you sharing your stories with me. What's your go-to side dish to pair with a fully loaded baked potato for a perfect meal? I just love how thick, rich, and creamy this broccoli cheddar cheese soup mix gets as you stir it over and over again. Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy. To the tummy, tummy, tummy. While this broccoli cheddar cheese soup cooks, I'm going to share with you 10 of my delicious, fully loaded baked potato suggestions. It's time for Trey's creative, meatless, fully loaded baked potato dish suggestion. Here are my fully loaded baked potato suggestions. Chili stuffed baked potatoes. Bake large rusted potatoes until tender. Then slice open and fill with hearty, meatless chili. Add toppings like sour cream, green onions, and shredded cheese. Tex-Mex Fiesta Baked Potato. Top a baked potato with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, avocados, shredded lettuce, and a drizzle of lime crema. Add a sprinkle of cumin and chili powder for extra flavor. Mediterranean Delight Baked Potato. Load a baked potato with hummus, chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, crumbled feta cheese, and a sprinkle of oregano. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Garden Veggie Baked Potato. Pile on sauteed bell peppers, mushrooms, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of fresh basil. Buffalo Cauliflower Baked Potato. Fill your baked potato with spicy buffalo sauce, coated roasted cauliflower, a sprinkle of shredded mozzarella, and a dollop of ranch dressing. Garnish with chopped green onions. Barbecue Jackfruit Baked Potato. Load a baked potato with shredded barbecue jackfruit, coleslaw, cheddar cheese, and a drizzle of extra barbecue sauce. Garnish with fresh parsley. Mushroom Swiss Baked Potato. Pile on sauteed mushrooms, Swiss cheese, and a dollop of creamy garlic sauce. Garnish with fresh thyme leaves. Creamy Avocado and Salsa Baked Potato. Load your potato with a blend of mashed avocado, fresh salsa, and a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. Top with a dollop of sour cream and a squeeze of lime juice. Pesto Caprese Baked Potato. Top a baked potato with fresh basil pesto, sliced tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese. Finish with a drizzle of balsamic glaze and a sprinkle of pine nuts. I hope these fully loaded baked potato suggestions inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and try something new. Challenge yourself to whip up one of these dishes and let me know how it turned out. Drop a comment below and share your results or any tasty variations you come up with. Here's some nutritional facts for eating baked potatoes. Baked potatoes are moderate in calorie content, serving as a satisfying carbohydrate source. Baked potatoes provides some protein for muscle maintenance and repair. Baked potatoes are rich in carbohydrates, offering energy for various bodily functions. Baked potatoes contain dietary fiber, naturally occurring sugars, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B5, vitamins B3, B1, B2, vitamin K, and folate. Baked potatoes also includes iron, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. After I've added salt and pepper, I'm going to add our rich and creamy broccoli cheddar cheese soup with extra broccoli. What toppings do you consider essential for the perfect fully loaded baked potato? Do you have any unique or unusual ones you love? Have you ever tried making a meatless, fully loaded baked potato at home? What ingredients did you use and how did it turn out? Also, let me know how it turns out if you try to make one after watching this video. I hope I've inspired your creativity.
And there you have it, a quick and simple meal you can prepare for you and your family. Fully loaded broccoli cheddar cheese soup baked potato. Let's taste it and see how it tastes. Can't wait. Mm. Simply delicious. Broccoli and cheddar cheese soup is one of my favorites. And then you load it on a baked potato. Mm, perfect. Thank you once again for watching another episode of the Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit your notifications so you can get future videos directly to your cell phone and computer. Have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, and most importantly of all, love.